Okay, we're going to show you how to multi-camera edit in less than 2 minutes. Select your A camera sync in point for your different angles. In this case, it will be the clap. Do the same for B and C camera. Drag them into your timeline. Unenable the audio tracks from B and C cam. Also unlink video tracks from their audio. Nest the video tracks. Right-click Nest. Label. Right-click Nested Sequence and select Multi-Camera Enable. Right-click Program Monitor and select Display Mode, Multi-Camera. Playback and select the clip that you want to be prominent. Once it's done, you'll have separate cuts that you can right-click and change angles after the fact. That was multi-camera editing in less than 2 minutes.